You know that saying that children love to say, "You're not the boss of me." That's right. You're not the boss of them. You're not the boss of anybody. What that means is that while you can have an influence in your kids' lives or anyone's lives, you do not manage them. You do not manage their moods, their behaviors, their decisions, their life choices. And this is really hard for parents especially, but let me tell you that once you get that in your philosophy, once you understand that you actually don't want to be the boss of anyone because they should be the boss of themselves, you not only set the other free, you not only set your children free, you set yourself free. You then get into your own lane, especially as a parent. And what is that lane? It is the lane to be their support, their ally, their guide, their usher, but not their manager, especially their micromanager. You release yourself, you relinquish that role, and you give the other the freedom. But not only that, you empower them to be their own boss. Now that is the goal of being a conscious parent and being a conscious human.